I want to show you something. This is me at 375 pounds. And I want to tell you the real story of what happened when I changed. Not just the number on the scale, but everything else. Because nobody talks about the everything else. Before the carnivore lifestyle, I was struggling. I was carrying weight I'd carried for years. I had joint pain and chronic inflammation I'd just accepted as part of getting older. I had energy crashes in the afternoon that made me feel like I needed a nap just to get through the day. I hadn't been seeing a doctor in over 10 years, but I was getting concerned. I couldn't ignore my issues any longer because I knew deep down that something was wrong, not just with my weight, but with the way I felt every single day. I was getting sick and tired of feeling sick and tired. I'd tried things before. You probably have too. Paleo diet, keto diet, Mediterranean diet. Because that's what they told us to do, right? Cut out the fat, eat less, move more. And I'd lose a little, then gain it all back, then some. Does that sound familiar? Before I get into what changed, if this story is already hitting home for you, do me a favor right now. Hit that subscribe button and drop a comment below. Just tell me where you're starting from, your weight, how you're feeling, whatever you want to share. Here's why that matters. When you engage with this video, YouTube sees that this content is worth pushing out to more people who need it. People just like you, who are tired, who've tried everything, who need to know that this is possible. You're not just subscribing to a channel. You're helping me grow this carnivore family and reach the next person who's sitting exactly where we both used to sit. All right, let me tell you what happened next. A few years ago, about 5 years now, I came across some information from doctors like Dr. Ken Berry and Dr. Shawn Baker about something called the carnivore lifestyle. Meat, fat, salt. That's it. My first reaction was exactly what yours probably is right now. That can't be right. But I was desperate enough to try. And what happened in those first few weeks changed everything I thought I knew about food, about my body, about how I was supposed to eat. The weight started coming off quickly. But more than that, I started feeling different. And that's what I want to talk to you about today. Because the number on the scale is only half the story. Let's talk about the weight first. Because yes, that part is real. From 375 pounds down to under 290 for the first time in 10 years. That's over 85 pounds gone. And I've kept it off because this isn't a diet I'm on. This is the way I live. And I'm not done losing weight yet. But how, Richard? I eat ribeye, not sirloin, ribeye. I eat 80-20 ground beef, not the lean stuff. I cook in the bacon grease I save, what I call liquid gold. And I use Irish butter and beef tallow. Fat is my new fuel. And when I gave my body the right fuel, it stopped storing everything I ate and started burning what it had. That's not me being a scientist. That's me telling you what I experienced on my own journey, from my own body. But here's the part that hits me hardest when I think about it. When I was 375 pounds, I had chronic lymphedema, inflammation in my legs and feet. Not like, oh, my knee's a little sore. I mean chronic, deep. I can't fit my shoes on inflammation. In both my legs. It impacted how I moved, and how I woke up in the morning. I thought it was age. I was wrong. Within the first few months on the carnivore lifestyle, that inflammation started to lift. My swelling went down. I was moving differently. I was waking up differently. The afternoon energy crashes I'd had for years, gone. Because when you're fat adapted, your body isn't riding the blood sugar roller coaster anymore. Fat is a slow, clean, steady fuel source. Now I'm 60 years old, 60, and I feel better than I did at 40. I'm not saying that to brag. I'm saying it because I want you to understand what's possible. I'm not a medical professional. I can't promise you what will happen for you. But I can tell you what happened for me. And I've watched it happen for thousands of people in the carnivore family. Your body was ancestrally designed to eat this way. This is the proper human diet. It was just buried under decades of bad nutritional advice and a flawed food pyramid. So what does a day actually look like for me now? I keep it real simple because simple is what works long term. Ribeye steak when I can find it on sale. 80-20 ground beef most days. It's affordable, it's fatty, it's filling. Can of sardines for a quick grab. I start my typical day with scrambled eggs and beef or bacon and maybe some heavy cream in my coffee after I've finished my fasting. I eat when I'm hungry, I stop when I'm full. No calorie counting, no macros app, no meal prep containers with 6 little compartments: meat, eggs, fat, salt. I save every drop of bacon grease, I call it my liquid gold, and I use it to cook everything along with Irish butter, beef tallow, avocado oil. These are my cooking fats. And here's the thing, I'm never hungry. I'm never counting down the hours to my next meal. I'm never white-knuckling through an afternoon. The fat keeps me full, keeps me fueled, and keeps me off that blood sugar roller coaster for good. I know what some of you are thinking, because I thought the same thing. This can't be healthy. All that fat, all that red meat. I get it. We were told for decades that saturated fat was the enemy, that red meat would clog our arteries, that the food pyramid, heavy on the grains, was the way to go. I'm not here to argue with anybody. I'm just telling you what happened to me. 85 pounds gone, from 375 pounds to under 290 for the first time in 10 years. Inflammation gone, energy back, joints better, feeling 40 at 60. If you want to dig into the science, I'd point you to Dr. Ken Berry, Dr. Shawn Baker, Dr. Eric Berg, Dr. Eric Westman. These are medical doctors who've done the deep dive and can explain the biology far better than I can. What I can tell you, though, is my lived experience. And on my journey, this is the only thing that has ever truly worked. If you're sitting where I was sitting, carrying weight you've carried for years, tired of feeling tired, wondering if anything is actually going to work, I want you to know something. I was you, sick and tired of being sick and tired. And if I can go from 375 pounds to under 290 pounds for the first time in 10 years, you can do this too. This channel, All Meat Rich, is here for you. Every video I make is about helping you understand the carnivore lifestyle, avoid the mistakes I made, and find what I found, a way of eating that actually works. Hit subscribe, drop a comment, and tell me where you're starting. I read every single one. And welcome to the carnivore family. We're glad you're here. I'm Richard with All Meat Rich, and I'll see you in the next one.